Hey there, bioinformatics enthusiast. Welcome to my channel, your go-to destination for all things bioinformatics. My name is Walterrickman. I am thrilled to embark on this journey together with you. In this channel, we shall dive headfirst into the fascinating world of bioinformatics. Whether you're seasonally pro or just dipping your toes into the field, this is a place to be. We shall explore everything, right from basics up to the latest advancements. And dare I say, fun. Now, you might be wondering what exactly we'll be covering in this channel. Well, buckle up because we've got a lot in store. We'll be kicking off with some awesome BioUnix and shell scripting tutorials to help you master command line tools like a pro. But that's just the beginning. We'll also be delving into sequence analysis, data visualization, R programming, Python programming, BioPython, and many more. The possibilities are endless. But here is the thing. This channel isn't just about me talking at you like this. It's about us learning and growing together. So I want to hear from you. Don't be shy. Let me know in the comment section if there is any topic that you are itching to learn about. Together, we can make Bioinformatics channel a vibrant hub for bioinformatics knowledge. Now, before you leave, there's something super important I need to ask you. If you are as excited about bioinformatics as I am, and to be honest, why wouldn't you be? Then hit the subscription button below this video and don't forget to smash the like button and share this video to your fellow bioinformatics enthusiasts. And of course, ring that bell so that you don't miss on any updates. And trust me, you'll never want to miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I am beyond grateful for your support, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and above all, keep being awesome. Walterrickman here, signing off Bioinformatics channel. Catch you later. Bye.